All right, you got the Ponvit PC230 wireless keyboard and mouse. Just arrived. Let's open it up, check it out, see what we got. All right, we have the mouse itself, little piece of cardboard backing in here, and the keyboard. Okay, so we have the keyboard, we have the mouse, and we have the user manual. The user manual is in English and also several other languages. All right, so on the keyboard itself, see we have an on-off switch right here. Just your typical QWERTY UEO keyboard. We've got a couple of clasps on the back. This is nice. There's a little slot here where it's going to take a AAA battery, looks like. Let's put one of those in. The back's just your standard flat back with these two clasps on here. Normal. Got the on-off switch, escape, you know, typical stuff. Nice keyboard, feels good, the buttons feel good. I like the fact that it has the number side right here. It's got the numbers on the side and an enter button on the right, which is very convenient, and I like that. Let's check out the mouse. Kind of a low profile mouse. You can see that. It's got the wheel on it. Left, right clicker, feels all right. Digital, optical, and we have an on-off switch on here. And I'm assuming when we open this up in here, we will get the USB that we need to plug into. There we go. So there's the USB that is good for the mouse and the keyboard. It controls both of them. So we will test this out and we'll let you know. So that's what you get. Keyboard and mouse combo. Believe it or not, you get a keyboard and a mouse. The mouse itself is going to also take two AAA batteries. So you're going to need 3 AAA batteries for this. Anyway, there it is. There's the unboxing for this. If you like it, check it out. It's the Ponvit PC230 wireless mouse and keyboard. Check it out.